Today we are going to see uses of article. Though it so seems that it is a very simple topic, but we shall know that many times Indian users of English they find so many difficulties while using articles because in Indian languages we don't have articles, and that's why it poses problems before the use of English before the Indian uses. We use a or an in front of third person singular countable noun. So this is the first criterion for using articles, a or an. Whenever there is a singular countable noun, we use a or an. This is a rule in English that we have to use before a singular countable noun. In English, articles are used before countable noun. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted as separate entities. For an example, table, pen, cat, etc. Uh, it is to be noted that these are nouns that they have plural forms in English. For an example, we can have a plural of the word table as tables, pen as pens, cat cats, etc. The countable nouns in singular form they always receive article. Uncountable nouns are nouns that they do not have plural form in English. For example, petrol does not have plural form in English as petrols in English. In general, there are three articles. They are a, an, and the. And there is also fourth article that is zero article. Whenever we do not need article to be used, we have to suppose that we have used an article. We do not use a or an article in front of uncountable noun. Plurals of countable nouns. Also not formally before proper nouns. See the following examples. While filling the blanks with correct articles, we have to make certain analysis. For an example, in a sentence like this is dash dash boy. Here we have to think if boy is countable noun or uncountable noun. Boy is a countable noun. Now we can use article a or an. Since there are three articles a, an or the which should be the right entry in the gaps, we can use the if it is a specified object or unique object. In this case, boy is not specified. Here boy means any boy, nor it is unique. So we cannot use the article here. We can use an or a singular countable noun only if the word before it is placed has a vowel sound as an initial sound of the word, that is the word boy begins with the sound. It is not a vowel sound. Vowel sound is a sound in the production of which the air stream which is put into motion by our lungs comes out through our mouth without any obstacle. For example, in the production of the sound a, there is no obstruction. Upper lip, upper teeth, they remain apart from your lower lip and lower teeth. So there is no obstruction. So a is a vowel sound. Whereas in case of b sound, as in the word boy that we observed, our lips and our lips and lower lips they come in contact before the release of the air stream. Hence, it is a consonant sound. Hence, we would use of article, and the article in this case is a. This is a boy. This is correct. Now, what is the correct article in the sentence? This is honest boy. Here, the rest of the things are same as mentioned in the first example, but the article is to be placed before the word honest, not before boy in this case. Hence, the word honest begins with a sound a, and a is a vowel sound as we have observed. So, in this case, we'll have to use an. So, the correct sentence is this is an honest boy. Though boy is a countable noun, we have to use article here because boy is a countable noun, but here we have to place that article in front of the word honest, and the word honest begins with the sound a, and that's why we have to use the article an. However, the rules mentioned in the above paragraphs are not applicable if the noun used is specified or unique. For example, in the sentence, this is an office where my brother works. Dash dash office has a large meeting hall. So in this case, you can notice that for the second time the word office occurs. There we have to use article the. It is because the word office has been specified. In the first sentence, already there is a word office and we are using that word again. And we know which office that we are talking about when we speak the second sentence. That's why office is a specified word. Office has been specified. So in this case, we have to use the. The correct sentence is this is an office where my brother works. The office has a large meeting hall. These are the basic rules for filling in the correct article. Students can solve the following problems themselves. Now see, these are the exercises. The first sentence is this is dash dash clever student. So here we have to use an article. Now since student is a countable noun, we'll have to use a or an. The word student here is not specified, so we cannot use the article the. Now we use a or should we use an? This is our problem. Again, you will have to find that the word clever begins with the sound k, and k is a consonant sound. Because when you produce k sound, naturally your back of tongue comes in contact with your upper part, that is called as alveolar ridge. So k is a consonant sound. So the correct sentence is this is a clever student. We visited Taj Mahal. Now, in this sentence, as we know, whenever there is the name of a unique thing, for an example, the word Taj Mahal, it is this thing is only one in the world. It is unique one, so we have to use article the, and that's why we should not think of other rules whether a is applicable or whether an is applicable, where Mahal is countable or non-countable. Now, we should not think of these questions. All those rules are avoided because Taj Mahal is a unique thing. So we'll have to say we visited the Taj Mahal. The next sentence, dash dash sun has set. As we know, there is only one sun in the world, so it is unique one. Again, we'll have to use the. The sun has set. Give me dash dash glass of water. Now here have to think about glass, right, and not of a water. Water is uncountable. Undoubtedly, it is uncountable, but here we are counting glass. So glass is the noun, and of water it is just post modification of this noun phrase. So glass is the noun. So give me a glass of water. Glass, g. The sound g comes first, and g is a consonant sound, so we shall not use an. We shall use a. Give me a glass of water. Next sentence. John brought dash dash oil from a shop. Now, in this sentence, we have to think about the noun oil. Shop is a countable noun, but it has come in the post modification of the noun phrase. The main noun is oil, and as we know, oil is a non-countable, uncountable noun. So we have to use an. Sorry, we have to use zero article. We have to say John brought oil. Okay, even though it begins with a vowel sound or, yet oil is non-countable. And since it is non-countable, we should not think to use a or an or any other article, right? So zero article is there. John brought oil from a shop. Next sentence. Let us play cricket. Now, cricket is a proper noun. It is a name, proper name of a game. So, since it is a proper name, we shall not use article there. We shall not use a, an, or the. So, the correct sentence is let us play cricket. There are dash dash apples on the branches. Now, once again, the rule applies over here is the word apples is a noun. It is in its plural case. It is not singular, right? More than one apples. So it is plural. And since it is a plural, since it is third person, but it is plural, we shall not use an article. The correct sentence is there are apples on the branches. This is a university where we played chess. Dash Dash University has a large playground. Now, university is a countable noun. The word begins with y sound. Y is a countable noun, and that's why in the first sentence you can notice this is a university. The article a has already come there, but in the second sentence, when the same noun will be repeated and we know about which university we are talking about, so naturally the word university it gets specified. So in that case we have to use the university has a large playground. Are you asking questions? Again, the word questions, though it is third person but it is not singular, it is plural, so we shall not use article there. Are you asking questions? This is correct question. Let us work hard. Let us work hard. Now here you will notice that the word hard itself is not a noun. Hard is an adjective. So the uses of articles they are made only in front of a noun cases. It is not used in case of an adjective. Hard is an adjective. So the correct sentence is let us work hard. So like that we have to make use of articles in English. Thank you very much.